Throughout this video, I will share with you 8 lessons that are the key to unlocking your full potential in this year of 2024. If you're tired of feeling stuck in the same routine without seeing significant results, or if you're just seeking an extra boost to reach new heights, stick around until the end, as I will reveal everything you need to know. For the first lesson, I want to start by telling you that your failure can be the key to your success in 2024. It may sound crazy, but I want to change your perspective on this. Instead of viewing failure as something to fear, it's crucial to understand that failure is an inevitable step towards success. All of us, at some point in life, face difficulties, make mistakes, and encounter seemingly insurmountable obstacles. But here's the big insight: it's precisely from these experiences that we can extract the best lessons. So, think about your biggest failures so far. Maybe you missed out on a job opportunity you really wanted, or perhaps you tried to start a business that didn't take off as expected. Instead of sinking into frustration, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I grow from this experience? Because the truth is, each setback brings with it an opportunity for growth and personal development. Understand that success is not just built on easy victories and moments of glory. It's shaped by the battles we face and the lessons we learn along the way. When you embrace failure and face it head-on, you become stronger, more resilient, and better prepared for the challenges the future holds. Now, in addition to simply accepting failure, it's important to learn from it. Analyze what went wrong, identify areas for improvement, and use this information to adjust your approach in the future. Create an environment where failure is seen as an opportunity for growth, both personally and professionally. Remember that many of the world's most successful people have faced failures in their journeys. Steve Jobs, for example, was fired from his own company before returning to revolutionize the technology industry. What does this teach us? That failure is not the end, but rather an important part of the process. So, the next time you encounter a setback, face it head-on. Don't let yourself be shaken, but rather use that experience as fuel to propel your growth and achieve success in 2024. In addition to learning from failure, there's another important lesson to achieve success in 2024: the development of useful skills. And when I talk about skills, I'm referring to something much more than just theoretical knowledge. I'm talking about practical and valuable skills that can make all the difference in your future. Think about it. If you master skills like effective communication and financial management early on, you're putting yourself ahead of the majority of other people. Communication is an essential skill in virtually every area of life, whether it's at work, in relationships, or even in day-to-day interactions. Knowing how to express yourself clearly, listen attentively, and negotiate effectively can open doors you never imagined. And what about financial skills? Understanding how to invest and manage your money can provide an incredible competitive advantage. Imagine having the knowledge to make smart investments, multiply your money, and ensure your financial stability in the future. This is an opportunity that cannot be underestimated. But don't limit yourself to just these skills. Also consider developing competencies such as leadership, critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. All of these skills are highly valued in the job market and can open doors to incredible career opportunities. By investing in practical skills early on, you're building the foundation for a solid and prosperous future. You're preparing yourself to face the challenges that await you and to seize the unique opportunities that will arise. It's not just about acquiring knowledge, but about developing skills that can transform your life. So, don't waste time. Invest in yourself, acquire valuable skills, and be ready to reap the rewards of your efforts. Success in 2024 is within your reach as long as you're willing to work for it. And remember, it's never too late to start developing these skills. The important thing is to take the first step and continue pursuing personal and professional growth. In addition to learning from failure and acquiring useful skills, you need to have persistence and determination if you truly want to achieve success in 2024. Imagine this scenario. You've set ambitious goals for the next year. You're determined to achieve them, but halfway through, you encounter obstacles, criticism, and even disapproval from others. What do you do in that moment? This is where the importance of persistence and determination comes in. When you face challenges or criticism, it's easy to feel discouraged and want to give up. But it's precisely in those moments that you need to remember your goal, your vision, and the reason why you started this journey. Don't let skepticism or disapproval from others steer you off course. Remember that often people may doubt you simply because they don't understand your vision or because they're afraid you'll succeed where they failed. So, be persistent. Stay firm in your determination to achieve your goals, even when things seem difficult. Accept challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, and use others' disapproval as fuel to prove them wrong. In the end, success is reserved for those who persist, who keep moving forward despite difficulties. So, don't give up. Stay focused, persistent, and determined, and you'll see that you're capable of achieving things you never imagined possible. Understanding the value of time is the next lesson you should learn. Time is a precious and limited resource, and as the saying goes, goes, time lost is never regained. That's why it's so important to make the most of every moment and every opportunity that comes your way. How many times have you put off something that you could have done today? Procrastination is one of the biggest enemies of progress and success. When we postpone our tasks and goals, we're essentially wasting our time, a resource we can't get back. Therefore, it's crucial to combat procrastination and make every moment count productively and meaningfully. This doesn't mean that we should overload ourselves with work all the time. On the contrary, it's important to find a healthy balance between work, leisure, and self-care. However, it's crucial to identify activities that truly add value to our lives and dedicate enough time to them. Investing in personal and professional growth is an excellent way to make the most of your time. This may include pursuing continuous education, developing new skills, practicing healthy habits, or setting clear and achievable goals. Every minute spent on activities that promote our growth brings us one step closer to success. So, the next time you find yourself wasting time on distractions or postponing your responsibilities, remember the precious value of time. Make the most of every moment, keep your focus on your goals, and invest your time in activities that bring you closer to achieving your dreams. There's an aspect that is often underestimated when it comes to achieving success: choosing positive friendships. The people we surround ourselves with play a significant role in our lives and our success. Think about the people you spend most of your time with. Do they inspire, motivate, and support you? Or do you constantly feel drained of energy and demotivated after interacting with them? The truth is that our friendships have a profound impact on our emotional, mental, and even physical well-being. That's why you need to carefully choose your friendships and surround yourself with people who share your values, goals, and worldview. Positive friendships encourage us to grow, challenge us to reach our maximum potential, and support us in tough times. They're like a support system that helps us overcome obstacles and stay focused on our goals. On the other hand, toxic relationships can undermine our confidence, lead us astray, and even prevent us from reaching our true potential. People who constantly criticize, envy, or discourage have no place in a journey toward success. When evaluating your friendships, ask yourself, do these people lift me up or bring me down? Do they support me in my goals or prevent me from achieving them? Remember that you deserve to surround yourself with people who inspire you, motivate you, and make you feel truly valued. By choosing positive friendships, you're investing in your own success and emotional well-being. After all, the path to success is much more enjoyable when you have amazing people by your side to share the journey. Now I'm going to talk to you about two powerful practices that can boost your success in 2024: forgiveness and gratitude. Forgiveness is a powerful tool that allows us to release the weight of resentment and move forward. Often, we hold grudges against those who have hurt us, which only serves to tie us to the past and hinder our growth. However, by practicing forgiveness, we release this emotional burden and make room for inner peace and personal growth. Forgiving doesn't mean justifying the actions of the person who hurt us, but rather releasing the power they have over us and freeing ourselves to move forward with our lives. Moreover, forgiveness is a form of self-care, as it allows us to leave behind anger and bitterness that can harm our mental and physical health. But forgiveness isn't just for others, it's also important to forgive oneself. We all make mistakes along the way, and it's easy to get caught in a cycle of self-criticism and regret. However, by forgiving ourselves and learning from our mistakes, we can grow and become better versions of ourselves. Practicing self-compassion allows us to recognize our shared humanity and treat ourselves with kindness and compassion even when we make mistakes. Gratitude, on the other hand, is a transformative practice that allows us to recognize and appreciate the blessings in our lives. By expressing gratitude for those who have helped us along the way, we cultivate healthy relationships and strengthen bonds with those around us. Additionally, gratitude helps us maintain a positive perspective even in the face of challenges and promotes a sense of inner peace and contentment. Regular practice of gratitude has been associated with a range of mental and physical health benefits, including increased happiness, reduced stress, and improved sleep. When you feel overwhelmed by resentment or dissatisfaction, remember the power of forgiveness and gratitude. By forgiving others and yourself, you are releasing the weight of the past and making room for a brighter future. And by expressing gratitude for the blessings in your life, you are cultivating healthy relationships and promoting a sense of inner peace and contentment. Now let's move on to a lesson that may have already been overlooked by you in the pursuit of success in 2024. I'm talking about addressing harmful habits. We live in an era where we are constantly bombarded with stimuli and temptations that can harm our mental, cognitive, and physical health. One of these dangers is the consumption of harmful substances such as e-cigarettes. While many believe they are a safer alternative to traditional smoking, the truth is there are still many uncertainties about the long-term effects of these devices. Emerging evidence suggests they may be harmful to lung and cardiovascular health, as well as posing a risk to young people who are particularly vulnerable to their influence. Therefore, it's essential to avoid the use of e-cigarettes and protect the health of both body and mind. Furthermore, we must be aware of the negative influence of modern distractions, such as spending too much time on social media apps. While these platforms can be a source of connection and entertainment, they can also have a detrimental impact on our mental health and ability to concentrate. Excessive use of social media has been linked to a range of mental health issues, including anxiety, depression, loneliness, and low self-esteem. Additionally, it can hinder our ability to focus on important tasks and achieve our maximum potential. Therefore, it's important to establish healthy limits for the use of electronic devices and social media, ensuring they don't dominate our lives and compromise our well-being. This may include setting specific times for checking social networks, limiting screen time before bedtime, and dedicating time to offline activities that promote relaxation and personal connection. By addressing harmful habits, you'll be protecting your mental, cognitive, and physical health. Remember that your well-being is your #1 priority, and take proactive steps to protect it from the dangers of the modern world. Self-confidence and determination are the last lessons I'm going to pass on to you so that you can achieve success in 2024. Self-confidence is the unwavering belief in yourself and your abilities. It's the conviction that you're capable of achieving your goals, even when others doubt you. In a world where others' opinions often influence our own beliefs, it's important to cultivate solid and unwavering self-confidence. Remember that you are unique and have abilities and talents that are exclusively yours. Believe in yourself and your dreams, even when others try to diminish them. Determination, on the other hand, is the inner strength that propels us forward, even in the face of obstacles. It's easy to give up when faced with criticism or doubt, but it's precisely in those moments that we need to double down on our determination and perseverance. No matter what others say or how many obstacles arise in your path, stay firm in your determination to achieve your goals. Remember that every obstacle you overcome makes you stronger and closer to realizing your dreams. Believe in yourself, move forward with determination and perseverance, and you'll see that you're capable of achieving things that once seemed impossible. The path to success may not be easy, but with self-confidence and determination, you're prepared to face any challenge that arises in your path. For those of you who have made it to the end of the video, comment below which lesson you consider to be the most valuable. Thank you for watching.